Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video I will teach you how to make DocuSign template. So let's just begin. So first of all, what we need to do is simply, you can see we have this option to select create an envelope template. We can simply select that. So an envelope is basically composed of your uh, PDF file or any document file that you can upload and create a template with. So you can add in here your template name, like for example this is your sign main sign. You can add your description, so custom description could be added, of course. And then we have the document upload section. Click on desktop and you can upload anything that you want. And then you have your recipient. You can add in here everything. So once you add all of these details, you can add your message and everything, and you can need to click on next. So make sure that you have added at least recipient name, so you can also add their name, role, and you can see, like for example admin, and we have the name and email. So we can click on next and our template will be created. So this is how easy it is. You can also preview your template and how it looks. By the way, you can also get 30-day free trial on DocuSign if you use the link in the description below and get a huge discount. Actually, the first month is going to be completely free. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you around in the next video.